Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your videos into a stunning 4K quality. So in here, you just need to use your mobile phone. First, you need to have this app, Wing app. You can find it on the App Store or Google Store. Open the Wing app and you'll see the AI repair. So just tap on that options. By using the AI repair, you can fix your videos, your blurry video or your standard video into a high definition one. Tap on the try now and then choose the video. Okay, after you choose the video, Wing will analyzing the video and will give you the best solution. Here it will show you what you need to do to enhance your videos. You can do some quality restoration here, but you can always adjust it more if you like it. For example, I'm going to go with this Ultra HD and RAW solution. You can change it into how you like it, from 2K to 4K, and here you can denoise your videos and do some AI color and stabilize it if you want to. So you can see the results in here, the preview of the enhancement. Now you can just click on auto and your video will be processing. Just wait. Okay, so after it's done processing, here you can compare. This is the before and here's the after. You can see the color is more vibrant and it will become like the color is more pop up, and you'll also get a better quality. Here you can just click on save to save the enhanced video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.